Mabuhay! Welcome to English 101, a crash course series made just for you. Today, let's learn about using the passive voice. Use the passive voice to focus attention on the object of an action. Use the recipient of the action, not the cause of the action, as the subject. The form is be plus past participle. Using the active voice, you will say, people invite Chris to every party. Or, someone locked the door. Turning it into passive voice, you can instead say, Chris is invited to every party. Or, the door was locked. Okay? To make the past participle, add ed or d to regular verbs. And for regular verbs that end in consonant plus y, change y to I and add ed. For more examples, we can say, the dishes are washed every day. My mom was interviewed on the street yesterday. Next, please be careful with irregular verbs. You will have to memorize their past participles. Choose, chosen. Sing, sung. Write, written. Grow, grown. Teach, taught. Eat, eaten. Additionally, there's do, done. Take, taken. Find, found. Make, made. And break, broken. Etc. Of course. My bag was made in the Philippines. For more examples, we can also say, mangoes are grown in the Philippines. Clear? Also, be careful with pronouns. You have to change object pronouns in active voice to subject pronouns in passive voice. Me, I. Them, they. You, you. Us, we. It, it. Her, she. We were invited to the party. For more examples, we can also say, I was interviewed on the street yesterday. Next, you can use by to explain who or what caused the action. In active voice, you will say, Anna wrote the email. My friend chose my cat's name. But in passive voice, you have to say, the email was written by Anna. My cat's name was chosen by my friend. And for more examples, we can also say, our house was built by my grandpa in 1950. The children were scolded by Mr. Collins. Then, use the passive voice to ask questions that focus on the object of an action. For example, question, were you interviewed on the street yesterday? Answer: yes, I was. Question: were you interviewed on the street yesterday? Answer: no, I wasn't. Tip: you can use short phrases to positively or negatively answer yes or no passive voice questions. Feel free to use the passive voice as well with not to focus attention on the object of an action that does not or did not happen. Then take note that in casual spoken and written English, not is usually contracted with be. And that's all for today's quick lesson. Thank you so much and good luck!